Lying on your back, bring your arms out to the sides with the palms facing down in a T position. Always keep both shoulders down and in contact with the floor. Bend both knees into the chest. Exhale and drop both knees over to the left side of your body, twisting the spine and lower back. Slide the knees as close to the left arm as possible and turn your head to the opposite side and look at the right fingertips. Keep the shoulders flat to the floor, close your eyes and relax. Let gravity pull down to your knees. To release, inhale and roll the hips back to the floor, where you will then repeat to the other side and then release from the pose.